Hello everyone. Today I'd like to introduce to you how to use the GTokenTool platform to conduct multi-to-multi transfers. First of all, we enter the multi-to-multi transfer page. First, connect to the main network. I will demonstrate it to you using the test network. Then connect the wallet. We chose the Phantom wallet. After a successful connection, you can see the wallet address. Now we start the operation. First, fill in the token address. If you don't fill it in, the default transfer will be SOL. Then fill in the private key of the transfer wallet. You can choose to upload a file, or you can directly input it. Here I will directly input it. Then we enter the recipient address. This can also be either by uploading a file, or directly inputting it. Here I will directly input it. After filling it in, we click Next. We can see the information of the tokens to be transferred. Now, we need to fill in the transfer amount. There are several options for filling it in here. I will choose a fixed amount and input 100. Then set the transaction time interval. There are also several options for this. I choose a fixed interval and set it to 1 second. After setting it up, you can view the transfer information below. After confirming that there is no error, click Send Transaction. Then wait for the transaction to be completed. After the transaction is completed, the execution results and the hash will be displayed. You can copy the hash and search on the blockchain to view the specific information. In this way, the whole process is over. If you have any questions, you can come to our community to ask. That's all for this video. Goodbye.